Hey guys, it's me, Ben, here at Neha Wireless. Just going live for a quick second while I actually have a second because I have just been busy today. So guys, check it out. We have financing available. Not everyone has gotten their income taxes just yet, so don't forget about the leasing options that we have available here at Neha Wireless. With no credit needed, guaranteed financing for everyone. Guys, your down payment in most cases, excuse me, I'm so sorry. Your down payments in most cases will be $80 down for anything in this store, okay? Whether it is a PlayStation 5, an Xbox, a new phone and a new computer, whatever it is you want, we have it for $80 down. No credit is needed, guaranteed financing for everyone. So get in here and check out what we have available for you here at our amazing store located on 1420 South Caraway, across the street from Burger King. Neha Wireless, home of the best prices. All right, guys, so come and check us out if you haven't already.